Thank you.
So, diagnosed with non-small cell lung cancer made me think of all the things that I wanted to teach my kids. Another true story with Keytruda. My doctor said I should start, so I did. With each scan, I just got better. Clinical study, Keytruda offered patients a longer life than chemotherapy, and it could be your first treatment. Keytruda is for adults with non-small cell lung cancer that has spread, who test positive for PD-L1. There's two
Hate you. Hate you.